Alright guys, Friday. Mm, Market open. A lot of the majority of things dropping, but also there's always stocks, spiking at the more market open and then falling after like 3 minutes of the market open. Um, this one looks. I missed my entry right here, but it's okay because I kind of it came down. I should have traded in here because it broke out and it came right, pretty much right, and it hit support of around right here. This right here. There's another one back here and multiple go a little bit higher, but this is the general area, and it actually came down. It came down to like about that support level, and that's what wanted me to get in, but I just didn't. I should have. But then I saw that it went up, and it was too late because if it's up here, that's when you want to sell. Unless you have a good entry. And, there's a lot of people right now in this trade because they got that good entry and they want to see it play out because eventually, if this would have gone right here, all these people that bought right here would have gone out and this would have dropped. But because it came down here and it went up, these people that bought right here stayed in. And they see a pattern. If you go to the 5 minute, you can see it better. But drop, double bottom right here, the two double bottoms, and it goes up, and then it went back up. Usually, if it breaks this top right here, it's confirmation of the double bottom support, and it breaks that, and it usually goes up and it starts fading a bit and it decides what to want to do up here. But usually you want to get in around right here and sell around right here. So I'm waiting on that, and all these people that bought in here are seeing that it had this double bottom, and because of this double bottom, but it had actually a higher low. It's just a bit higher, but I just consider it a bottom. I'm not considering I guess on the 5 minute chart you can do the higher low process, but I didn't do it because it came so close to the other bottom. I just counted it as the bottom and didn't get into this. But this can be another tool that can help you decide if it goes below this. You can sell if you're in here. But right now you can see that it's holding pretty good for that higher low. But on the 1 minute, it's a whole different thing. But that's why that's why I was telling you that all those people, dang it. Let's see. They got in, that got in right there are holding because of the 5 minute chart. It looks good. The 1 minute looks very choppy, but at the same time, it also looks like it obviously made a higher low right here, so that's why they stayed in. Consider that bottom low, so I put the resistance right there for if I buy. That's the risk level. And it came up and it went down. This was a pretty good entry, but I didn't want to get fake out, so I put this line right here because I figured that it's like a whole downtrend from up here. And then it's changed direction, but it still continued a downtrend. It went up, down, it followed that line down pretty much, and I was scared that it was gonna go down here and follow it and break right here, and I was gonna buy right here, but it actually broke, but didn't buy because it double topped right there at 5. If it would have broke right here, I would have bought, which lately if you buy here, it goes up and it eventually goes down. So the main entry is right here at the higher low, the bottom. I missed it again, so I'm just waiting for it. If it comes down 1, 2, 3, I'll probably rebuy in here because it's coming down. Right here, it's gonna probably change direction, and if it comes down and I buy and it just passes this, I'm out. But if it buy around here or right here, wherever it comes with if I buy around here and it starts grinding up and it starts right here consolidating, I'm gonna hold, and if it breaks, then I'll buy. But if it holds and it looks like a wall and it looks fading, I'm gonna sell and just take a little profit instead of taking the big profit. But that's what's been going on right now. GOV looks about the same, but that's the 5 minute chart. The 1 minute chart looks a little bit scary, but you know, it has a wall at 425 and it's just fading. And this is a more easier pattern because it's doing the swing play like the happy face.